The best pans for a beginner cook. Now, if you're a beginner cook and you're wondering what pan should I start with, today I'm going to share with you the 4 pans that are my favorite that I believe you need to have as a beginner cook. Hi, I'm Melissa Diane. The first pan that I believe you need to have as a beginner cook is a really good skillet. Y'all, you want something that's it's durable and it's gonna last, it's gonna cook anything. And I like to have items that are really pretty in the kitchen because if I'm in there cooking, I want to enjoy what I'm doing. So this pan right here, y'all, I just love it. This is a 12-inch skillet. This one happens to be from a company called Green Pan, and the coating is ceramic, and like I said, I just love it. It's got a beautiful gold handle, and with this skillet, y'all, I can do just about anything with this. This comes in other sizes. They have like a 10 and an 8-inch, I believe. This one is the 12. Now, when you're cooking with this one, with this type of a skillet, you want to heat it to like low or medium. You don't want to be putting this on high. You want to help protect that finish, but a really good medium heat will work just fine. Now also, when you clean this type of a skillet, once you finish cooking, you want to take it off of the heat. You want to let it cool down naturally. You don't want to go throw it under the cold water right away because you'll get what's called thermal shock, and it's going to start to deteriorate that really nice coating that you have. Now, another option for a skillet, like I said, I just love this one, but there's another skillet I have that's fantastic. So you just need one of these starting out. Here is another skillet that I absolutely love. You don't need both of these starting out, just one will work, but I wanted to give you a choice. This one is called the Always Pan, and this one right here, it does come with a lid, and this one happens to come with a steamer also. But what I love about this one is, again, it has that ceramic finish. It is so nice. And with both of these, when you wash them up, you use a soft sponge. Everything comes off so easy. What I really like about this one, the Always Pan, is that it has, I don't know if you can see or not, but there's a spout here on the side. So when you're cooking, if it's something you're going to be pouring, you can just pour it off the edge right here. That makes this really handy. But both of these skillets are fantastic. They can both go in the oven. The Green Pan and the Always Pan can both go in the oven. And you can cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner, y'all, out of one of these skillets. So the very first pan that I think you do need as a beginner cook is a really good skillet. The next thing I believe you need as a beginner cook is you need what I call a really good pot. And the easiest way to get a really good pot is just to get you a Dutch oven. Now this one here, I did get it sur la table. You can get these all over the place. You can even get this one on Amazon. The thing about these, y'all, is they are heavy, okay? These are heavy, they're very sturdy. And the lining of this one, I just love it. I just love the inside of this pot. You can put everything in one of these. You can do soups and stews, you can do gumbos, you can put a roast in here depending on the size. They come smaller, they come bigger. You can do chili. I've seen people even do bread in them. You can do so many things in a Dutch oven. So this would be the second item that I would say is a new cook that you would need. Now there's another one, let me show you. Let me put this right here. I love these because they just come in such gorgeous colors and they look so pretty in your kitchen. There's another one, it's by the same company as that Always Pan, the company Our Place. This is the Always Pot. And I've had this one for about 3 or 4 years, and I love this one also. I can do all the same things in here that I do in my other Dutch oven right here. The difference is with this one does come with a little tray in the bottom here. You can steam in here. But again, it has a spout on the edge of it, if you can see the spout. And this one is a lot lighter, okay? And both of these can go in the oven, but having a pot like this that you can make so many things in, y'all, this would be fantastic to go along with your skillet as a new cook. The third pan that I believe you need as a beginner cook is a really good pot that you really can steam in. You can steam some there in your Dutch oven, but y'all, this right here, this is one of the first things that I got when I started really cooking. I've only been cooking for probably about 5 years consistently, and my husband got me one of these, and y'all, I just absolutely love it. I'd never had one. I didn't even know what to do with the thing, but I steam so many things in here, especially all of our vegetables. It's just fantastic. And then you can even just use this pot. It's stainless steel. You can use this if you want to for spaghetti and noodles and pasta and all those types of items. But when you're steaming any of your vegetables, you can just put them in here, put just a little water in here, and it makes your vegetables come out fantastic, and it just makes cooking really easy, and it's super clean, super easy cleanup. And they all come with a lid. And y'all, I think that having a steamer as a brand new cook it's a must have. And so far we've gotten 3 pans. So now let's go to the 4th. Okay, so this would not actually be considered, I guess, a pan or a pot, but it is a cookie sheet, so it's a type of a sheet pan. And I think also as a new cook, you need at least one. You just need one. Get a big one, so then you can, if you're doing any baking, cookies, anything like that, you've got a fantastic pan. Now let me tell you about this one. I just got this one probably about 3 months ago, and I wish I'd had this forever, because I had some really inexpensive, just kind of flimsy cookie sheets, and I thought that they were fine. Y'all, when I went and picked this one up, this one is from Sur La Table, and like I said, I'll put a link for you. When I went and got this one, it completely changed how my cookies come out, and I am not exaggerating. My daughter got a set of these. I just got one, and she said the same thing. In this cookie sheet here, it has ridges. You kind of can hear my fingernail go across it. But this has ridges on it, so air circulates up underneath your cookies. Oh my gosh, y'all, it does make a huge, huge difference. So I definitely think if you're starting out as a cook and you're new and you're just wanting to have the time of your life, you need a really, really good cookie sheet, and I think this one happens to be the best. So there we have it, y'all. We've got the 4 pans that I believe every beginner cook needs. You got your skillet, you've got your Dutch oven, you've got your steaming pot over here, and you've got your incredible cookie sheet. Now be sure and check out one of those videos that's popping up, and I'll see you over there in a few minutes. Bye-bye.